issue. How can I?
Good evening, guys. So the people who are saying that data source could not be configured, that means the project is not able to take your properties file correctly. So just right click on your project and refresh your project so that it will load the YML file that is configured in the project. Because here in the data JPA, we are not creating the data source object. We are configuring the data source details in the application.yml. Whenever we start our Spring Boot application, it will take the data from the YML and it will create the data source to manage the connections. If you are getting data source URL not configured, that means the YML file is not loading properly. So just right click on your project and refresh, or else you can do this also. Go to project and clean option. Whenever you do the project clean, it will reload the changes. Okay, can you guys try that?
Yeah, DDL auto and show SQL also it's required, or once application.
If table is not available in the database already, then this is required so that it will create the table. Show SQL is not required. It is just used to print queries on the console. That's it. If printing the queries on the console is optional. If you want, you can print it. If you don't want, you can ignore that. That is not a mandatory thing.
Yeah, I try to manually force update to Maven also. Okay, I will try once again.
Sure, please do that.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
I got sir issue, sir. Direct issue. Dialect resolution information cannot be null when I wanted dialect is not set.
Yeah, just to refresh your project and try that once again.
Okay.
Because those issues will come when our YML file data is not loaded by our application properly.
Sir, I refreshed it again, the same error. Failed to configure a data source. URL attribute is not specified and no embedded data source could be configured.
Can you share your screen? Salija, can you share your screen and show me? Go to your project. Show me the YML file or properties file, whatever you have. Yeah, right click on the project. Close unrelated projects. There is an option called close unrelated projects. Close unrelated projects. Above the run as option. It is not show -SQL, it is show _SQL. Line number 7. Why are you writing everything? Just you need to use control space. Na? Can you remove that line completely? Line number 7. Yeah, now start typing spring.jpa. Spring.jpa dot show _ yeah, show -SQL. It is coming as show -SQL here. Okay, give it as true. Okay, can you show me your pom.xml file? Pom.xml. Show me the parent version of the Spring Boot. 2.7.8. That's fine. Okay, refresh your project and run it. Run as boot application. Show me the properties file once again. Spring.data source.driver class name, data source.password, URL, username, Hibernate DDL auto, JPSO SQL is true. Manish is saying that he faced that issue, he resolved it. Non-registering driver. Spring.data source.driver class name is equal to JDBC dot. Yeah, Manish, can you unmute your mic? Can you tell me what is the issue you faced, how you resolved it?
Yeah. Also face the same issue, whatever she's facing. So I just try with that and hello, is it audible?
Yeah. Yes, you are.
Yeah. So even I also facing the same issue what she's facing right now. So I just keep that data source driver class name, whatever I mentioned in the chat now. So after that it is working.
Yeah. So in the line number 1, Sailaja, in the last part, remove the driver and write non-registering driver.
It will show automatically after name. You just that one.
Yeah. Save it. Refresh your project. Yeah. Run it again. Run as boot application. Still the same problem. It is not taking the data source properties from the properties file. Data source is not creating in your scenario. Can you right click on the properties file and change it to YML? Right click on the properties file and convert that properties file to YML. Convert properties to YML. Yeah, okay. Save it. Why this YML file is not recognizing? Yes, now it recognized. Can you do Control-Shift-F? Click on that file and do the Control-Shift-F. Keep your cursor in that file. Keep your cursor in that file. Yeah, Control-Shift-F. Formatting purpose. Okay, then try running it again. Run it again. No. Failure to configure the data source. No, there is nothing to check with the entity because our data source itself is not creating. Project is failing at the time of startup only. Go to the, there is something wrong in the properties file or YML file. That's it.
Sir, if it does not download any of the jar files from internet, how do we know, sir? Because from one system to the other, that could be the only issue, right?
So one, check the dependencies, sir. Dependencies. I want to see the dependencies.
Otherwise, version issue. Like I'm using 3.0.
Ashok, that Shailaja case pom.xml entry is wrong.
Can you go to that pom.xml once again? Show me that pom.xml. Show me the pom.xml. Pom.xml file. Close this YML file. Show me the pom.xml. Scroll down. Spring Boot starter data JPA. That is correct. What is wrong there?
MySQL, SQL related one.
No, that MySQL connector dependency is also available there.
No.
Once ask her to change version and create a new.
Ask her to scroll down the pom.xml. See here, MySQL connector -j, it is correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So check the database connectivity from here, whether it is connecting or
MySQL
not.
-connector-j, that is also correct. The only thing is, I think her data source properties are not loading to create the data source object. That is one issue. Then only you will get that URL problem. So it is saying that data source URL is not available to create the data source object. So do one thing, Salja, package your project as create a zip file and send it to me. I will run that in my laptop.
And we have another approach also. If we remove the CJ, if you try the older MySQL URL, then it will be working.
No,
I
sir,
tried
it is
previously.
inside my case, it's working. No issue, but try to anyone who is sent.
Sir, I
maybe
think
maybe properties
CJ1 is right, because we sent the CJ the updated one, so that if
Correct.
she can
CJ
try,
is the correct one. CJ1 is the correct one.
yeah.
I think
So is
CJ
there
one
any
is wrong
problem with
actually.
MySQL version related and all? Can you see?
No. First of all, data source is not properties are not loading properly.
Not loading.
Yep. The YML file properties are not loading to the class.
So it is not recognizing line. It's not taking URL.
Correct. Yeah. Go to the YML once again.
Sir, I think the database is created with that name or not. First, we have to check. I think that may be the issue.
No. Yeah. Can you write another line? Spring.jpa dot. Write a new line. Line number 12. Line number 12. Spring.jpa dot. Hibernate dot. No. Right at the starting. First, you don't give any spaces. Start from the first. Go to first position. Go to first position. Yeah, spring.jpa dot hibernate dot jpa dot hibernate dot globally underscore quoted identifiers is equal to true. Globally underscore quote QUOTED quotation kind of thing. Quoted underscore identifiers is equal to identifiers. No, after identifiers, do the control space. Control space. Enter. No. After control space, if you enter, it should adjust as per that syntax.
No.
Maybe the YML files are not working.
Even recognize color syntax also not correct.
Yeah, I think
On
the
right
problem
side,
with that
it should
is
give green.
Yeah,
On
her
right side,
YML files are not loading properly.
You just need to create once again.
Yes, right. As YML file, there is an issue. Yes, I'll package your project and send it to me. I will run in my system. I will check it. There is a YML issue.
Send it the Telegram if possible. I will try again.
Yeah, sure. Package your project as a zip file, upload in the Telegram group. We will run it in our system and we'll check it. Okay.
Can I know that Telegram group name? Actually, I joined lately.
Yeah, I will post in the group.
Sure, thank you.
Hi sir, this is Rashekar. I am getting error like no qualifying bean of type. That interface it was showing error, sir.
Yeah, maybe the package names are incorrect, sir.
Package name I checked, sir. It was.
What's your name? Rashekar. Share your screen.
Okay, sir. Sir, you can see the screen, right?
Yes, I can.
This is y.xml file, so everything is loaded.
1 minute.
Package name is wrong.
Package name is wrong.
Base package is wrong right now.
Wait, sir.
You are not following base package.
Yeah, base package.
Your package start class available in the com.example.demo. Why student database Java available in the com.example.demo one package? That is incorrect package name, right?
If you give .1, then okay.
Hold on. Rashekar, can you tell me what is base package naming in the Spring Boot?
Com.example.
com.example or com.example.demo?
Demo. The main application is just so demo.
But then the remaining packages should start with com.example.demo, right? That is incorrect, na?
This is demo 1, right?
Arey Baba, this package should contain the base package name, right? Your package should be com.example.demo.demo1.
To start with.
Demo 1. Inside
Yes.
package it should there. Okay, sir.
Insert package name is not com.example. It is com.example.demo.
You remove demo from there, from the first package, then it will be okay. It will work. You rename that. You rename that first package.
Rename. No, not here. On the package.
Right click on the package name and rename it.
Refactor code.
Best practice, you
Right.
can
Package.
rename the
Above.
package also.
Above.
Sir, anyone please tell me one guy.
Refactor. Or just do refactor.
Right click on now.
Okay.
Right click on the package.
Right click on com.example.demo and
No,
then
package. Package.
Above.
Rashekar.
Arey man, you should know how to rename the files in the IDE. Na? You are not a fresher, right? How many
Right
people
click
should
on-
tell you that?
Not here.
You are
Above.
not able to rename the package. What
Above.
are you learning, man?
Go ahead. Refactor.
Guys, stop it. Guys, stop it. He is not doing the basic thing also. He don't know how to rename a package. What are you learning, Rashekar? And we discussed that component scanning in the Spring Boot for 3-4 days. What is base package name? What is sub package name and all? What are you doing?
One more package I'm creating, sir.
That where is the naming convention? Where is the best practice? When you are creating one more package, I am not saying anything wrong about it, but you are not following the naming convention of the package. Can you explain me what is component scanning in the Spring Boot?
A component scanning, if in main application, if we write component scanning in other packages, classes also, it will accept as a bean class.
No, it's wrong.
It checks the sub packages.
Inside a sub package, demo dot 1, 2, 3, like sub packages inside the demo, it will scan Java class as a bean class.
But are you writing that sub package properly?
No, a separate package I written. I didn't write sub package.
You have created separate package. That package not following the naming convention. That is the mistake.
Okay, sir. Now I created.
Right click on package name.
Sir, in my case, in entity class Java, it's not persistence is not coming. It is giving Jakarta.persistence.
Yeah, because of that version, different version you are using. Na? That's the
You are using latest version of the Spring Boot. Use the 2.7.8 version of the Spring Boot.
Okay, thank you.
Change the Spring Boot version in the pom.xml.
Sir, if is suppose if you want to give length in the length for the columns, if you give it.
Yes. Whenever you write @ column, there is a length attribute. You can give the length also. At the
Can
time
we
of
change-
creating the table, it will consider that.
Yeah, it is working. But can we change the length after setting the table created everything? If you want to change the length.
Yeah, right.
Will
We
it
can
work?
do alter. Right.
Okay. Alter. Okay.
Yes, right.
Sir, one quick question, sir, regarding auto wiring. Sir, you have told in XML that when we were using by in XML, I'm talking about XML. When you used by type or by name in AutoWire, then you have used the setter injection, right?
Correct.
So it was working fine. But when I removed that setter injection and I just created a constructor taking the argument, so it was giving me null pointer exception. Why was that?
We will check that, sir. If you tell me like that, I can't understand. Now, if I see the code, I can tell you where is the problem.
Hello, sir. Like I have a query. Like yesterday, you just mentioned like we implement the CRUD and the JP repository for the particular thing, and we import those in the service class to write the logic.
Correct.
So yeah, so my thing is like I'm currently working in one of the organization now. What they are doing, like they have been following, they are even writing some of the business logic for the repository, because we have our own interface called as iCloud repository that has been implemented, and that implementing interface has been called in another class, and their business logic has been also implemented. So my thing is if we are able to get all the data from the database with the help of the the available methods now, so why they have been following such things like
Sir, if you want to write the complex queries, then data JPA will not support you for that. If you want to perform simple CRUD operations on the tables, then you can go with the data JPA. If you have the requirement to perform any complex operations, right? Complex, I want to join 10 tables and I want to write the queries. Okay. Then going for our own implementation is recommended. If you have very simple CRUD operations you want to perform on the table, then instead of writing that logic on our own, we can use the data JPA.
So, sir, in that case, we have to write our own data source, everything, and as usual.
Correct.
Ashok, a small question. This DDL auto will there, right? That will check each time when it will share the data. It's only one time it will check while loading the application.
It will no. It will check whenever we start the application first time, right? When the data source object is created, it will check it. Is that table is available or not? If it is available, it will not do anything. If the table is not available, it is going to create that table.
So it will scan all the tables, whatever it is in our
Correct. Whatever the entities that you configure in your project, right? For those entities, it will scan all the tables.
And real time, what is the advisable value for that DDL auto?
So generally in the production, the development mode, we can use update only, but in the production, we don't use that.
So we used to write this. We used to write.
We'll create the scripts manually. Correct. We'll create the scripts manually and we will insert that.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Sir, is there any compromise on performance, sir, when we use Hibernate and data JPA compared to core SQL?
Yes, definitely. Performance will be good with the plain JDBC because JDBC SQL queries will directly work with the database. But if you go for a Hibernate or data JPA, these things has to convert into SQL queries and they have to execute, right? Performance little slow will be there when you go for a framework.
Okay.
Hello, sir. On my previous question, you did mention they have been following the complex queries. For writing the complex queries, we should follow the Hibernate query language. Is it?
Yeah, I mean Hibernate query language we can use, or plain SQL queries also you can use. If you use a Hibernate query language, if you use a I will discuss that concept. Hibernate queries, if you write now, they are called as HQL queries. Those HQL queries again should be converted to SQL queries by using dialect classes. That concept is there in the JPA. We will come to that.
So Ashok sir, what was the need of that data JPA? Because as you said, only basic query can be performed, not like a complex. So
if you have now we are going for microservices. In all microservices, we don't write the complex queries, right? In few microservices, we just need to perform the CRUD operations. To perform the CRUD operations, you no need to write your own logic.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
The normal joins can be performed, normal join operations.
Yeah, normal join operations we can do. I will cover that also, guys. Mappings I will explain.
Sir, you have told that @component as @component annotation, so it should follow the bean specification rule. Means if a class is a bean, then it should follow the bean.
That is normal Java bean. Normal Java bean. A class which is representing as POJO Java bean component. Right? Component means the classes which contains the business logic. Those classes are called as component classes. Java bean is different. Component is different.
So, sir, if you are declaring a Java bean, a class as a Java bean, then we should get the private data type and public getters and setters, right?
That is normal Java bean classes which you create.
Yes, sir. I'm talking about the normal Java bean only. We have to do it, no?
Right.
Like we are doing in entity class, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So that entity class can be called as a Java bean because we are writing the private variables, public setters and getters. Yes, that can be configured. That can be called as a Java bean.
Got it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
sir. I'm facing one error. Client plugin authentication error.
Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Hi Ashok.
Hello, sir.
What is the use of optional keyword which used yesterday?
So is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. It is optional is a Java 8 concept, sir. It is used to avoid null pointer exceptions.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is the error I'm facing, sir.
Just copy that error and keep in the Google.
Okay.
It is not able, I think the database connection is not happening.
So
Just
Ashok,
copy that line and paste in the Google and see what is the reason.
Okay, sir.
Just go up.
Complete line.
So, sir, auth is been used for just for the authentication purpose. Payout. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm.
Data source URL wrong.
I have also fetching sir dialect issue.
URL is wrong.
Go to your YML file or properties file
Okay, sir.
where you are configuring your data source properties.
Yeah, this is the YML files.
It looks correct.
Yeah, do we need to change the version instead of
Version
scope?
number, we no need to configure that. It's not required. Because Spring Boot will take care of the versions for the dependencies that we configured.
Okay.
Spring data source, driver class name, password, URL, local host, database platform, Hibernate, DDL, auto update. Show an SQL to true. Can you scroll up the error? Can you go to the Stack Overflow, what they are telling? Check that in the Google.
Platform is
Like create an user on the remote scroll down.
version.
Driver issue.
Hello, sir.
Sir, actually, it is working for someone, sir, in our batch. It is not working for me only, sir.
Which version of the Spring Boot you are using?
Sir, 2.7.
Go to pom.xml.
At 2.7.8.
Yeah, that is fine. Correct only. Which version of the MySQL database?
5 point something, 5.1.
This is not STS. Normal.
I think better to go and check through
STS.
Workbench whether it is able to connect to MySQL and it a service is running. MySQL service is running.
Just to open MySQL command line and execute. Press search MySQL command line.
Okay.
This is not STS tool, Eclipse tool.
MySQL. Just type MySQL client.
Okay.
Search MySQL. First one. Enter your password.
5.1 only. Server version on top of it shows.
Yeah, MySQL database is able to connect. Show tables.
Show table.
Yeah, sir.
Table is created. You created manually or it created?
Sir, I created manually, sir.
You created this table manually. So the console once again, what is the error? Client plugin auth.
Just go up.
Go and start, like from
Just
where
go
the
up.
exception is coming.
Start. Go to
Go up.
start. Go up. Show the stack trace.
Just go up. Yeah, here entity manager.
That error is showing.
No. You have
Go to the console. Show the error clearly. Okay.
Starting.
Scroll up from first line.
Plugin
Find
auth is
plugin auth is required.
ID. You are using normal Eclipse, not STS, right?
No, I'm using STS.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I had downloaded STS in this Eclipse.
Okay.
Here market space.
Yeah. Got it. Marketplace. Okay. It's better to take STS, no?
But previous class I have run it.
Might be it is not installed all the things from marketplace or some problem. It's better to take STS, clear STS. Sir has given STS 3.9.6. You take that one.
Okay.
You configure these two dialect class. 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. I'm showing you. Or else I'm giving you one link in the chat. Click on that link. It is saying that your driver is old.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So in that they have given the solution to make the changes in your pom.xml and properties file. Share your screen and do that and try.
Sir, here in the my there is a fifth version. Change it to 8. I think it will work.
I can't hear your background voice. Some TV voice is coming.
No, sir, no background at my side. Sir,
I think I'm different. Yeah.
Sir, I'm saying like in SQL, actually
Go down.
someone has used 5th version. If he
Go
will
down.
change it to 8, I think it may work.
Go
Because
down.
it's showing new version like 8.
They are changing
0.30.
version 2.0.0 parent.
No, it's not required. So you can keep 2.7.8. It is working for me.
No,
Go to
down.
scroll down.
Yeah, here then.
This one, MySQL connector, instead of MySQL connector J, they are using MySQL connector Java.
Java. You take this one, add it.
You take this dependency.
Yeah,
Add
if
it
you
in
remove the
pom.xml.
J and add into some other connector, it will working actually.
Add it. Take. Save. Control V, save. Update project. Error.
Go up.
Go to YML file and change the driver to pom.mysql.jdbc.driver. Remove CJ from the driver class. Go to YML file and remove the CJ from the driver class.
Make that by default different one. It will come.
Yeah, save it.
Unknown system
List
variable.
available language.
Here we have already updated it, sir. As per this.
Just clean it once again.
And I have given direct as well.
Clean and update your project once, so
Okay.
it may get resolved.
Go to project and clean.
Clean up, right?
Yeah. Go to right click.
Right click on project, go to Maven and
Even form.xml also.
YML application.yml itself, YML. Here using or.hibernate dot that line, 8th line.
Is it required?
Yeah. I think is not required.
Oh.
Oh.
You just keep JP Hibernate.
Yeah, okay, JPS.
Hmm.
Yeah, now I think maybe it's done.
Yeah, now it will work.
Just clean this one, Maven clean once.
Yeah. Not showing, no active profile. Again, same issue, I think.
Delect is not set. Can you just open that. Just go up.
Yeah, here. Same, I think, unknown system value.
Clean it, Maven clean. You just clean once. Run as. No, not that. Run as.
Hello, what is system variable?
Yeah, Maven clean. Yeah, Maven clean.
Maven clean.
Hello.
Run as Maven clean. Run as.
Up after coverage.
No. Run as.
Run as.
Maven is there. See.
Yeah.
Maven
clean on 5th line.
And just 5th.
Okay.
Manish,
Yeah.
what is system variable?
Run as Spring Boot.
Anyone know?
Could not find alone.
Which one, bro? System variable? You are asking that error one.
Not find. Yeah.
Gone.
Could not find.
Just
From 7th line
after
to
clean
30th line.
install. Just
Bro,
go to install.
change the build path, bro. Once change the build path. I also got this in my project.
Build it. After clean, you have to build it.
Change this one. Click it. Once delete the available JRE and configure new JRE.
Double click on that one. Double click on that one. Libraries. Go to libraries.
Library, bro. Library.
Yeah, here. Double click it. You will find JRE. Alternate JRE.
First remove it. Old one is need to remove.
No, it will.
No.
Why it is not showing JRE 1.8? Whatever the installation
He is
should
not
show.
installed.
Why?
Just install on JRES.
Take
JRE, man.
No. Click the radio button. Click the radio button.
Yeah, just apply.
No, above option is there, no?
Add JRE 1.8.
Have you installed JDBC or
JDK?
Yeah, JDK I have installed.
Then you add
No,
it.
click the radio button. Execution environment. Execution environment. Please click the radio button. Execution.
Sorry, which one?
You add it now.
Edit option. Go with edit option.
Yeah, here down.
Okay.
Yeah, I did.
First click radio button. Click the radio button. Execution environment.
Down.
Radio button, bro. Radio button. Side blue.
This one. Right?
No, not down.
First one,
Blue
bro.
button. Blue
That
button. Blue.
alternate JRE
First
above
one.
button. Above.
First one.
Left.
Execution environment, bro.
Left. You are choosing right side. Right.
Like
Yeah,
1.8.
1.8. Java 1.8. Come down.
SE.
Come down. Yes.
Above, bro.
1.8.
1.8.
Yeah, here. Just add here.
JRE.
Apply. Okay.
Apply and close.
Update once margin close. Update once margin close.
First of all, in your system, JRE show that JRE there. No, your system is not available.
Right.
JRE is not showing.
You have
Packages
you
are
check in
showing.
C program files and JDK is there.
Your
Installed it or
library
not.
also wrong. Bro. Your library also showing wrong. Na? See
See,
once.
first of all, you are referring to the normal reference only you are showing, not from your system.
Okay. Click on edit was option. Remove this one. Click on the above of that. Click on. Then remove it. Remove it. First remove it. Again you need to
Click on it and remove.
Click on install JREs, man. First, click on install JREs and choose your JRE first. Choose your JRE.
No. He have already there. Why he need
No.
to install?
He has not shown JRE.
Not showing.
Only the default JRE is only showing.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is not shown his JRE.
Okay.
Install JREs. That is the reason. Just go to install JREs and choose the JRE from your system.
Okay. Add library.
Add external jars actually.
Add external.
Not here, man.
You need to download from browser, bro.
No, just go to C drive and program files where you install JDK first. See?
Yes. You go to first C drive.
Bro, I have a doubt. What is system variable? All this.
Yeah. Just go.
A1, I don't know.
So, system variable when we have to set the permanent path of the Java, right?
Yeah,
there is
have
system variable.
Where is JDK8?
Environment variable.
Where is JDK8, man?
You have not installed JDK 1.8. You have only
1.8 you are
JRE
not
system.
installed. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's why the problem.
See, that's the reason. First, you install JDK8 and install the STS, man. Don't install it from marketplace. All these things. You'll face all kinds of problems. Java space hyphen version hyphen version.
Hyphen version. Yeah.
Just version.
Actually, it was
not there.
Then it is already available. Just
Yeah.
see in programs X files or program files.
Or
Just
can
go
you type in the start control panel?
It will be in program files, guys. That
program files.
x86 is 32-bit.
Right.
You go to prog files. You go.
Yeah, here
It is available now. You point this one from the install JRE. You point
Copy
this
the
JRE.
path.
Configure the
Okay.
path.
Inside the JDK.
Wait, guys. Go to your
Inside.
project.
Yeah. Copy that URL on top of JDK
Above
1.8. No, top, not bin.
Not up to bin.
I think please advise anyone. He is getting confused.
Right, true. Just copy that one. Entire. Right click on it.
Complete path.
Control C. Just go to project now. Go to project.
Please join the Telegram group. So it's getting some error. I tried to reach.
May I
Go
know
to
that
project.
Telegram group name? Actually, even I didn't know.
Please, everyone, keep quiet.
Show some errors like it's font this open this page.
Here, what we can configure?
No.
Go to ID.
ID, man. Open ID. There you will
Now
find
you go to
install
ID.
JREs. Install JREs will be there. Just go there. Go to IDE.
Guys, 1 minute. I will tell him how to set that. Hello, Mister. Share your screen. I will tell you how to add that Java in the IDE. Who is that guy who shared the screen earlier? Parameshwar? Click on cancel button. First cancel, yeah. Click on that. Now click on add library. Select JRE system library. Yeah. Next. Select alternate JRE. Click on install JREs. Click on add. Yeah, click on next. Select JRE home directory. JRE home directory button. Yes, click on finish. Click on select the JDK checkbox. Finish, apply. Apply and close. Now, 1 minute. Arey man. Yes, again select that JRE and click on edit. No. Click on edit. Not that, Babu. No.
He's
1
so
minute, man.
expensive.
There is a drop down. Alternate JRE, there is a drop down. Select from the drop down JDK.
JRE.
Yeah, drop down. Yes, correct. Yeah, you select JDK. Right.
Click on finish.
Correct. Apply and close. Fresh.
Error is still there, sir.
Right click on the project build path. Your Java version was not configured properly in the ID. Right click on the project build path. Allow access. You just click on this. Yeah. Now it is fine. JDK 1.8 is there. Yeah. Go to window, select compiler. Go to close this menu. Close this. Cancel this. Yeah. Go to window option in the Eclipse. Close this also. Command prompt also you close it. In the Eclipse, there is a window option.
Beside help.
Not here.
Beside help. Run
Window
and
Eclipse main menu, window option.
Navigate.
Sir, please take her access now.
Give me the control. Parameshwar ready, give the control to me. Open Eclipse. Open Eclipse. Parameshwar, open Eclipse. No, man, your workspace, whatever you are running currently, that workspace I want you to open. Alt tab you can do now. Guys, meanwhile, any other issue?
I think, sir,
yes,
Eclipse
sir.
version it's 22 is compatible only Java version 17.
Hello, Ashok
Can I
sir.
share my screen, sir?
I have pressing, sir, dialect issue. Can I add MySQL dialect in properties file?
Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
Sir, if everybody want to share the screen, how can I see?
No, that
Ashok, sir.
okay, one after this, sir. Only
Ashok,
one error, sir. Student repository it is unable to scan. I don't understand why. That's
Check
the
the
only.
package name. Check the package.
Checked it, sir. Checked it.
Hello, sir.
Sir, will this work with the Spring Boot version 3? Because currently I'm using 2.7.8, which you are using. But I'm just asking, will this work on newer version?
Yes, sir. It will work on the newer version also. We need to check what are the dependencies that we need to add. Spring Boot 3, I did not try as of now, but definitely it will support for that as well.
Okay.
Sir, Spring Boot 3, I tried. There was a problem. It's @entity when I was using, it was giving me Jakarta instead of Java persistent.
हाँ, yeah, I need to check that, sir. मुझे भी अभी तक idea नहीं है इसमें क्या change है बोल के.
Yeah, Jakarta, they have changed that name. Now Jakarta WE is there. Yeah.
वो actually 2.7.8 में कोई problem नहीं आ रहा है @entity में, लेकिन जब वो 3 यूज कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे वो Java persistent की जगह वो Jakarta आता है. That is
right.
Sir, another, I have a doubt, sir.
Guys, so and one more thing is, in my system, MySQL Server 8.0 is available. Some people are using MySQL 5.0. That was very lower version. We are getting some compatibility issues. In my system, MySQL 8.0 software is installed, MySQL Server. If anybody having that lower version of the MySQL, please uninstall that and install latest version.
In my case, 5.0, it's working, sir. No issue.
Yeah, so for some people it is working for no issue. Then that means maybe their property files are not loading properly.
But generally, sir, it is recommended 8.0, right? Because in my
5.0 was very old version.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
Hello, sir. Ashok, sir.
Why? Yes, sir. Tell me.
My project. Sir, my project running fine, but sir, I need to add some. Need to add 2 annotations, sir. Extra annotations. One is entity scan, and another is enable. Why, sir?
I did not explain that one. We will discuss about that entity scan and enable repositories concept. Okay. I have not discussed about those annotations as of now.
Sir, for me also,
Okay, sir, without attributes. Sir, without that 2 annotations, if I am try to run means I get exception.
Yeah, we will check. We need to check it. Why you are getting that exception for that?
Sir, I'm getting again the URL attribute is not specified like that, sir.
Yeah, that means YML file properties are not reading.
I'm using only application.properties only. Sir.
Yeah, application properties file also
Change
it is
it
not
to
reading.
YML.
No need to change it to YML. It has to read from the properties
It is reading
file
problems, sir. Yeah, reading problem.
Property files are not loading. It is not able to check which URL it has to use to connect with the database.
By default, it should read. It's not reading.
What is
update your project? We have to clean the project and we have to update. So there is no
Maven
solution.
clean, sir. Maven clean, right? Sir?
Maven clean, yeah.
After that, sir?
Just run the project.
Okay.
Maven update also you can do.
Maven update project, right, sir?
Sir, so Spring 3, should we use Java 8 or higher version of Java, sir?
Java 17 is mandatory.
Okay.
Then I can run, no, sir. After Maven update, I can run.
Yeah, you can try.
The same problem, sir.
Same reading problem.
Reading problem.
It is not reading the properties file.
But most of us, we are getting this error, sir.
So first he has to create a database of SBMS, no?
No, it is there. It is there. It is there. I created the SBMS database. It is actively, currently it is running. Okay, show tables, no tables. Okay, the package structure is also correct. This is my base package. I am doing all this in the under that sub packages only.
So the URL which you have used is SBMS. After that, you have used the
Yeah, that is fine. That is also no problem, sir. No problem.
Because in the internet, I found, sir, just maybe it may try. Even if I don't give that, also I am getting the same method.
Use different class name.
Sorry.
Different class name in driver class name is there, right?
CJ is
Guys.
if you are using MySQL 8, CJ should be used.
The problem is here, the problem is not with the driver class. The problem with this is the
Reading.
property file, it is not able to
reading.
Sir, for me also same thing.
Spring Boot
Pom.xml
is
could
not
not be
reading.
activated.
Yeah,
It's not
Spring
reading.
Boot. Spring Boot is not reading that properties file, guys.
Suitable driver class it is showing.
No, which driver is correct only. Okay. It's not the driver problem. If you're using MySQL 8, it should be CJ.
You try
Yes,
with
sir.
YML, convert to YML, right click on the
That also I did, sir. It is not working for that also. That's why I verified with I do that, sir, but generally.
Which Spring Boot version you are using? It's 3.
2.7.8. Okay. Every corner I have checked it. 2.7.8 only.
2. Okay. Not
Okay,
fine
this
then.
is MySQL connector J for MySQL 8 data JPA. Okay, anyway, okay, we will see this also.
Same problem.
I think most of us we are getting the same errors, sir.
Yes, sir. Most of the
Yeah.
people are facing the same.
Yes,
Many
sir. Most of people are facing this issue only.
Yes.
Yeah, but
And even if
He
we
is-
try to package this,
Sir, he is using STS4.
STS4.
STS4. What is the
Even
problem?
it should work.
STS4 or 2, 3, it doesn't have any problem.
Yes.
Which SQL version you are using?
MySQL 8 only.
Okay.
MySQL 8. That's why, see, if it is MySQL 8, it should be CJ.
Guys, I'm giving you one link. Can you add this link? Can you click on this link and check it? Click on that link. I have given you one link in the chat box. There they mentioned that add that include the build tag in the pom.xml like this. At the last, we have the build tag.
MVN Spring boot run.
No. That build tag resources we need to add.
Oh, build path. Source.
This one, guys. So scroll down, go down. Yeah, this one. Take this build tag. Keep in the pom.xml. Go to pom.xml. Scroll down. Yeah. One minute. No. Go to browser once again. Just copy the resources tag from the browser.
Okay, sir.
Just copy the build is already available. Just copy the resources. Yeah. Remove the build.
Well removed.
Save it. Yeah. Now do the Maven update project. Now we are having the YML file, right? Application.yml. You give the .yml there in the line number 46.
Line number 46, sir.
Start.yml. Yes.
Work life, family life, social life.
Update Maven project.
बहुत ही important है क्रिकेट कप के नाम रईस दिलीप झांसा दे गया वह मतलब रणजी ट्रॉफी मतलब विरानी ट्रॉफी वह मतलब शिल्पी नायक
I will run the project.
मतलब दिलीप ट्रॉफी झांसा मतलब झांसी रानी ट्रॉफी दे मतलब देगर ट्रॉफी सबसे सिंपल सा है दोस्तों रईस दिलीप झांसा दे गया अगर उस चैनल को लाइक और
We are getting the
Same error, huh? Go to your project. Right click, run as, run configurations. Select class path tab. Select user interface. Right click. No, it's not coming up. User interface.
Sir, in the same link, he has given the solution with the green tick. You can check that.
In my system, I'm not getting this issue. User class path only, user entries only, bootstrap entries. There should be one add option, man.
Click on
Yeah.
advanced.
No. 1 minute. Advanced, click on advanced. 1 minute. Select add folders. First one, click on OK. Go to your project and select the resources folder. Select the resources folder. SRC. Main resources. Okay. Yeah. Click on apply. Click on run. Yes. Scroll down. Your SQL query having some issue. That files loading was done properly. Your query was not executed properly. That is the problem. Yeah. Check this query. Yeah. Show me your entity class. Table name students @ID, student ID, student name, student right. Check that. That query was not executing properly, sir. Go to the console. Go to console. Scroll up. There is an error in the SQL query table creation. Just to see that. Create table students. Student ID, integer, primary key, student ID. Yeah. Engine, InnoDB via JDBC. Statement. Create table students, student ID, rank. No. Scroll slowly. That query. Student ID. Can you change the table name and try that? Students _ table. Yeah. Run your project. The data source URL problem got resolved.
Sir, ask him to auto detail as a create.
Go to that YML file. Make auto DDL as create. Save it. Update your project. Refresh your project. Refresh. Yeah. Run your application now. No, man. It is a different error. Go to a database and create the table manually. Connect it to that MySQL database and create the table manually. You take that query which printed on the console. We can see what is the issue. Go to the console. It printed query on the console now. You take that query and execute it. Yeah, the double quotes, in the double quotes, the query is there. Take that query. Not that. Remove that part. Yes, up to that. Yeah. Semicolon, enter that, execute that. There is a wrong in the query itself. Rank, yeah, the problem is your variable name, sir.
Long.
Rank is a predefined keyword in the database. That's the, you
Show
can't
the,
use
show
that
the
variable.
student, POSO class.
Entity class.
Yeah.
Make it a student rank.
Small L, sir, small long, sir, capital L.
That is no problem. Variable name was, so here,
Okay.
he did not give @ column annotation. So his variable name considered as a column name. So rank is a predefined keyword in the SQL. That's why it is not accepting that. Now you can try. Save.
Now
So there
student
is a
I'm having some error. There is an error in student.java. Go on.
setters getters change करना पड़ेगा. Regenerate them, remove them, regenerate it.
Click on the variable.
Alt Shift S or source. Generate getters and setters.
Yeah.
In the constructor also you can change that variable name. Change that variable name. Copy the variable name student rank. Guys, you got the problem why it is giving the error with the rank?
Yeah.
Rank is a predefined keyword. We can't use that as a variable name.
Okay.
Yes. Now go to application, change that variable name. Setter method, set student rank. Save it. Yeah. Run your application now. It should work now. Now qualifying being after. Now go to your start class. Configuration, root application, student repository dot class. Can you check the project packaging structure? Student, can you go to student class? Can you show me the packages which you used? Importing entity table, that is fine.
Remove the default constructor.
The impulse.entity is there in the go to application. Dot impulse, okay.
Impulse in.impulse. That is fine. No qualifying bean of type student. Why? No. Show me your application class.
Sir, actually, there is one mistake. Actually, he has used the word context, but he has created the object as a input.
1 minute. 19th line number is wrong. Your student is not a string bean. Go to your start class. Start class. Student class object you can't get from IOC because student is a normal Java class. You need to create the object by using new operator. New student. Repository will be Spring Bean, so you can get from IOC. Student is a normal Java class. You need to create the object for that.
Right.
Save it. Run as boot application. Yes, your program executed. Go to database and check that. Okay, now remove this. Yeah, show tables. So student table is created. Select star from student table. Perfect. Yeah, guys, now the people who are getting the data source URL is not available. We got the solution for that. Man, go to your IDE. I will tell that the remaining Shailaja, for you also same problem. Na? The remaining people who are getting that issue, right click on the project. Right click on the project, run as, run configurations. Go to run configurations. There you need to go for the class path tab. You need to select the user entries. There you need to click add folders, advanced, click on advanced, add folders, click on OK. Select your project resources folder. Go to SRC main resources. Yeah, just select that folder. Yeah, already it is available in his system. So that's why it is not accepting. So you need to select the resources folder, click on OK. The problem is in your IDE, project is not able to load that resources file, whether it is a properties file or YML file, it is not able to load it. We are telling to the project to load that resources folder for the properties. Then data source properties will be available. Your application data source object can be created.
So for me, it is not showing class path whenever I do.
Share your screen, Shailaja.
Okay.
Yeah, Srinivas, you can stop your screen share. Yeah, Shailaja, share it. One minute. Close this. Can you close this? Close this window. Click on close.
1 minute.
Right click on your project. Run as run configurations. One minute. You have selected the Maven build, right? You need to select. No. You need to go for the left side menu. You need to select the options in the menu. Run Spring Boot app. You need to select the last but one option in the menu, left side menu. Spring Boot app. Yes. Not this also. Or else go for Java application option. Select Java application. Above. Below Java applet. Below applet. Why it is not coming for you? Or else 1 minute. You need to get that option whenever we click on that. Right click, run as. Choose Maven. Click on Maven build. Right. Now go to. This is Maven build option we are getting. Go to source. Add. File system directory. No, cancel that. I think there is something mismatch, madam. Workspace folder. Workspace folder. Let me check it in my ID once. No. Select in that, expand that and add the resources folder in the project. If you expand workspace folder option only, cancel that. Give me a minute. I'm checking in my system. Madam, here, whenever, no, 1 minute. Cancel this. In the Spring Boot application, you have the option to select your project. Expand that. There is a arrow mark before that option. No. Spring Boot app, there is a arrow. Expand it. Select your project. Now you will get the class path.
Class path, yeah.
Now user entries. Select user entries. Click on advanced. Add folder. Select your project resources folder. That only, it's already selected.
Yes.
Click on OK. Select your project. What is the project name? No, not that project. You need to add the resources, not the complete project. Edit that. Remove that project. There is a remove option. You need to add only resources folder.
Chala.
In the main directory. In the main directory, you will have it.
Yeah, resources. Right. Yeah, select that one.
Okay.
Apply.
Apply.
Apply. No, down. After revert.
Click on apply and click on run. Shailaja, click on apply and click on run it. Now properties are loaded.
Okay.
Now your application started and it terminated. Go to database and check it.
Okay.
Guys, all of you got the problem?
Yes, sir.
Spring Boot application in some IDEs, Spring Boot application not loading the properties file. Finally, we found the solution. Good.
Very good session, sir. These kind of problem solving give us confidence. Huh?
Yeah, right, sir. So this is the first time I have seen this problem. I never faced this problem in the previous batches or in the project also.
So Google पे भी नहीं है ऐसा.
I think the issue with the IDE is, guys, the latest Spring tool suite IDE not loading the resources folder. That is the problem. Okay, fine, guys. So please try that. We'll meet in the tomorrow session. So if anybody facing the issue, please post in the Telegram group. We'll check that. Thank you, guys. We'll connect tomorrow again. Please practice the methods of that CRUD repository. Tomorrow we'll discuss more about CRUD repository methods. Bye. Good night.